Hi, Mandy. I commented your second paragraph, but I want to start by saying that I loved reading your essay. I especially love your hook. Your depiction of your grandfather's village is lovely. You have a couple extra paragraph breaks. So your introduction should be your hook, followed by your happiness definition, and ending with your thesis. So it should all be in one paragraph. So there's no need for a paragraph break here. And then down below, it looks like you have a paragraph break before your analysis. I'm not really sure what's going on here actually, but it looks like you have an extra paragraph break there too. All right, let's talk about the paragraph that I commented. I did see some wording problems. Um, so let's just start at the beginning. We all measure happiness differently. In the eyes of author Arthur C. Brooks, in the article, Three Equations for a Happy Life. So through is not the right preposition. And then you write, happiness is scientifically studied that demonstrates humans could be now. So I think what you're trying to say here is that he writes that humans are biologically predetermined to have a set level of happiness. Something like that you mean to say. This bit that I highlighted here is not clear. It also could be an acquired behavior, and maybe, I think here you mean to say, depend on people's habits. Yeah, I think that's what you mean here. Let's just jump down because this sentence is good. This next sentence is good, and then let's just jump down. While the definition of happiness may vary, happiness for me is narrowed down to the love of nature and family. So I'd like to talk to you because we do need to figure out a strategy for you. You have great ideas. It's the wording, it looks like that's problematic. I think that a tutor should be able to help, like especially an EL tutor. There are tutors at the Writing Center that speak English as a second language and should have strategies for helping you. Um, you can come to me before your second essay is due and we can sit down and look at your sentences together, but I do see some confusing wording that we need to sort of strategize about.